to see in my phone. What's in my phone? Oh! I need to see something on my phone more. By the way, this is day 2. I need to get out of here. Please, let me go. It's good. Sitting again. My camera's getting laggy. I can't just jump on the stand. It's hitting! Come on. Come and use a big brain. Troll's gonna get to the third floor, but I can't. Oh, my back! I have to get out of this place. But how can I exit if this gets hit like 2 million times? I'm surely the other city has the other neighborhood. It's fun of me out! But that's great! Come on. Don't suck me to the ocean. No. What's happening? Come on. Go. Oh my gosh. Oh. Come on, I can. It's trying to suck me. It's following me. It's not. Oh my gosh. What happened to this place? What the hell is this place? It got abandoned. Look at the damages. Day 3, it will be bad because this one's going to finish. But next one has 10. Oh my god. Tornadoes. Fortunate. Oh my gosh. Who is destroying this world? I was destroying it. Come on. Come on. Show yourself. Oh, me? It's your favorite subscriber. You. Because. But you were with me. You were with me. I don't care. Then why were you with me in the tornado? Well, you see, oh my, don't have to want this. Tomorrow is a bad day for you to watch everything. No, I have to get back to the factory. It's hitting. No. What's this on my phone? Yeah, kind of recording like last time. No. I have to get back inside. What if it hits me? No. That's where I live. No, please. I'm gonna get hit here.